Hi, this is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. Did you buy a Werner Pail shelf and not know how to assemble it like I did? I bought a Werner ladder, which is a great tool. And then I just recently purchased an accessory called a Werner Pail shelf that didn't come with instructions. And so I looked on YouTube to determine how, in fact, to install the accessory, and wasn't able to find out because there weren't any videos on it. And I called Werner, and of course it's Friday late afternoon and everything is closed. So I want to show you how to do it. It's very simple. The Werner Pail shelf is a piece of plastic, like you know the toys that you give your kids to slide, those plastic toys that come with your slides and your swings. It's the same type of durable plastic that comes with your kids' toys for outdoor use. That's first off. Second off, it comes with 2 sets of brackets, 4 altogether. 2 will get discarded because your ladder may not require the second set. So let me bring you up close. All it is the shelf itself, which goes like this, okay? When it's secured, it's going to flip up and stay out of the way like that and be able to fold with the ladder. When it's down, it's going to rest on this part of the ladder and up against its horizontal counterpart where you stand. So how do you do it? Well, I've already installed it halfway, so I'm just going to show you. It comes with 2 sets of brackets, one of which has 1 hole in it, and the other which has 2. Well, my ladder required the brackets with the 2 holes. Let me show you why. This rung here has 2 holes on each side. I didn't realize it, but my ladder is set up for an accessory. And so you see the 2 screws there, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. That told me to throw these brackets away, which have the 1 hole each in them. Apparently they make ladders, the top rungs of which have 1 hole on each side. So my ladder requires the one with 2 holes in each bracket. And so all you're going to do is put the bracket on the top rung and put the screws through the top and the nylon nut on the other side and tighten it up. You do the same thing on this side. Now, I have to get a ratchet, and I'm on a job site and all the guys are going home. And I'd have to go out and get one, but it's already installed. I just have to tighten the nuts. That's all there is to it. You reach underneath, you put the nylon nuts underneath it, and then you tighten it up with a ratchet. They do have 2 other caps that come with it. They look like, here they go. These little caps that cover the bolts for protection, so I guess nothing gets snagged on it. I'm not going to use them. This is installed. I'm just going to tighten it up. And there you have it. And it's a durable piece of plastic. As you know, this stuff stays out in the sun. This is the stuff the kids' toys are made out of that you leave in the backyard all summer. So, that's it. This is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. Thanks for watching my channel. Please click on like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.